Have you ever worn an industrial uniform that provided you with absolutely no fire protection? Let's make a comparative test, recreating effects similar to those that happen during sudden exposure to fire in different types of industries. We present to you the best way of protecting the human capital of your company, Carolina Protect FR, the textile fabric brand of industrial safety that self-extinguishes fire. The test includes demonstrations in which clothes made with other fire-retardant fabrics are compared to clothes elaborated with Carolina Protect FR. But first, let's take a brief look at the production process of safety and fire-resistant textiles. We produce Carolina Protect FR, suited for different kinds of risk in various industries, including petrochemical, mining, electric, forestry, and steel industries. We also manufacture the high-vis fabric, a high-visibility textile that, in addition to being fire-resistant, also keeps its vibrant color even after 40 hours of exposure to sunlight. Coming back to our test, we present a comparison between the way Carolina Protect FR and other brands of fire-resistant fabrics react to flames and arc flash effects. If your workforce's uniforms aren't fire retardant, change them for ones manufactured by Carolina Protect FR, textile protection under fire. Statistically, the damage caused by dozens of accidents could be significantly reduced if a uniform made out of flame-resistant fabric and arc flash effects was worn. Uniforms manufactured with Carolina Protect FR fabric are comfortable, functional, and safe. Uniforms are an extension of your worker's skin. If they have an accident involving sudden fires, their skin doesn't catch fire, but their clothes do, causing severe injuries. Not taking into consideration the importance of preventing accidents caused by sudden fires results in great human and economic losses. It is of vital importance to take care of your resources to prevent any possible accidents. Protect your workforce with uniforms made out of Carolina Protect FR fabrics and keep them safe at all times. The fibers used in the elaboration of our fabrics, which are in turn used to manufacture uniforms and work clothes, allow movement and perspiration, come in intense colors for high visibility, and are resistant to fire and arc flash effects. We chemically treat cotton at a molecular level, allowing the fabrics of clothes made with Carolina Protect FR to keep their fire-resistant properties even after being washed over and over again, keeping the person wearing it safe. Backed up by laboratories of the highest prestige, such as UL, among others, we hold certifications of international norms, such as NFPA 2112, Standard on Flame-Resistant Garments for Protection of Industrial Personnel Against Flash Fire, NFPA 70E, Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, NFPA 1977, Standard on Protective Clothing and Equipment for Wildland Firefighting, ANSI ISEA 107, Standard for High Visibility Safety Apparel. We fulfill the national norm NRF 006 from Pemex, Work Clothing for Petróleos Mexicanos Workers, Mexico State-Owned Oil Company, and the Covenant Norm 1439-79 of Venezuelan Oil. We also hold the following European Union certificates: EN 470, Protective Clothing for Welders; EN 531, Protective Clothing for Workers Exposed to Heat; How can you know if your current uniforms are fire retardant and resistant to arc flash effects? Workplace hazards in the industry can be unleashed suddenly and without warning. We have already done the test. It is unnecessary for you to take the risk. Consider medical and funerary bills, rehab, therapy, and compensation fees, all for not wearing the appropriate apparel. Avoid the worst by protecting your personnel with the highest quality FR fabric. Carolina Protect FR, textile protection under fire.